You probably know that the street food you are eating is extremely unhygienic and unhealthy. But what you probably don't know is that the food you are eating at big fast food chains is no better. It's your host Zoya. We wish you a fabulously peaceful day today and always. Quickly made, quickly served, quickly eaten. That's fast food in 6 simple words. We are going to tell you about the scary facts of the fast food, as it's called junk food. It's been well documented that junk food is exactly what it says on the tin, junk. Friends, when I was gathering information about this video for all of you, it was really surprising that I have found so many facts that we were totally unaware of, and it's very harmful for us. There are so many things that we want to share with you about this topic, but some of them are very dangerous, so we are sharing them instantly because your health is precious to us. This is perhaps the most alarming information available about the fast food in the modern day. Everyone is familiar with the fatty content and high sugar levels present in the burgers, chips and soda in these environments. But what people may be less aware of is the fact that fast food items may also actually have detrimental effects on human mind. Yes, taking in junk food on regular basis disrupts the flow of blood in the brain, and after a certain amount of time can make you appear like a member of a walking dead. Unless we begin to actively cut back on our fast food consumption, a world of shuffling zombies might not be such an implausible possibility after all. A shocking fact about these fast food that produce junk food for us is this, that the dispensers that have drinks in it have displayed traces of fecal bacteria is surely that yuck material. The particular form of bacteria found on these drink dispensers known as coliform bacteria. It won't kill you, but the fact that is standard in commonly found in feces. This is too dangerous and unhygienic. I think you want to kick off the fizzy drinks forever taken from the fast food chains. Another form of bacteria found in these drink dispensers certainly will a nasty little strand called E. coli. This bacteria can cause severe food poisoning symptoms, in the rare cases even cause death. The burgers we eat in these fast foods as junk food are the burgers that weren't rot for 14 years. You have read the story behind this, a man named David Whipple. If you haven't, please read it. He made a personal experiment for that, and the burger wasn't rotten for 14 years. What do you think? A natural food can be carried on for too long? No. For 2 or 3 days, its bacteria is fungus around any bread which is naturally created with useful eating material. But these type of burgers, they are too much harmful for the health of the person. If you leave a piece of fresh food out, it will rot in a few days, definitely within a week or 2. These burgers are so far from fresh and natural that it makes you wonder what exactly they contain. The French fries that you enjoy with your burger and we think it's a very healthy combination has so many preservatives in them that they don't rot for 3 years. Would you imagine a simple potato wouldn't rot in our house for 3 years? Not possible. These preservatives are intended to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold, but you can imagine how much chemical they are using to prevent it for 3 years. One more horrible truth is this, that please stop slurping on the vanilla and raspberry shakes that are available for selection on so many different fast food menus. For added sweetness, the production process for these flavored drinks involves intermingling a head-slapping horrid ingredient into the mix called castoreum, which actually comes from the anal gland of beaver. Yes, it's an animal. And the most favorite for the kids, nuggets. Golden crispy chicken nuggets are treat for the tongues when they are cooked right. At fast food restaurant, however, the way they are produced is all wrong. Studies have shown that junk nuggets contain barely any chicken at all, instead being mainly comprised of fats, bone, nerve and tissue. How could we eat these all things? I hope when you are listening to this video, you are going to quit usage of junk food from your diet. Please exempt it from the diet because it is very unhealthy for your life. The milkshakes have more chemicals than many fertilizers. Can you guess that? How many fertilizers are there in a field? We have no words to say about it because when we are taking milkshake, we think that's very healthy for our kids, for ourselves, but it's very unhygienic taken from the fast food chains. So please make your milkshakes at your home. So if you like the video, please do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. There are more concerning aspects to junk food than the prospect of putting on a few extra pounds or money or dollars, and recent research across the board has revealed several horror stories that hidden behind the glossy menu of vibrant packaging. So please be careful and take care of your health by avoiding the junk food. Take care. Allah Hafiz.